So here's Eleanor, now renamed Lady. First time I've gotten her back outside since she came in yesterday afternoon. She has, yeah, she's sneezing. She has pretty bad kennel cough. And she was a much larger dog at one point. She has folds of flesh around her neck and coming down her chest and on her belly. So I don't know if she just went without eating for a long time or if she maybe has some kind of a wasting illness. She acts very hungry but doesn't really want to eat. I gave her hot dogs last night with their meds in them, and she ate the hot dogs but then wouldn't eat the food and didn't eat any more hot dogs last night, much as I tried to give her more. You coming back out here? Yeah, you haven't been out since yesterday. You come out all night. You got to pee again? Yes, pee again. She does take multiple pees. Good girl, Lady. Good girl. She's a very friendly, very sweet girl. This is the most exercise she's had. No, sweetie, you can't go in there with the other doggies. Not until you get over your cold. She was so happy to see my dogs yesterday. And they want to see her, you know, up close, but she's in quarantine right now. She has the front yard and the den, and the other dogs have the rest of the house and the backyard. You ready to go back inside? Maybe you'll eat some breakfast this morning. I'm going to scramble some eggs for her, in addition to the dog food and the hot dogs. And good girl. She knows how to use the senior doggy door. Good girl. All right. She was sleeping over here in the sun. You want to come over here and lay back down? Yeah, I'll move your bed to the door for the day, but this is where she slept last night. Okay, so this is Lady, and you can see her tail's wagging. She's a happy girl. You can hear Charlie whining in the background. He is none too happy about not being able to be in here. Yeah, you want me to move your bed now? I'll move your bed now. Okay. Okay. Good girl, Lady. Good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. She likes being petted. She likes being petted. I laid down with her for several hours yesterday. Yeah, good girl. She's a good girl. Okay. This is today's update on Lady.